Hi, my name is Laxy and today we have an unboxing of flite habu. Now you see the battery of the plane. The plane is actually here, waiting to be unboxed. But first we are going to do this. It's actually quite simple, you just open it and yeah. I mean it looks really nice. Here's the battery if you haven't seen it. And here is charger. I can get it out. Jesus. Come out. Yeah. So here is the charger, or should I say the charging unit? Yeah, charging unit. You can see the IC free plug, balance lead, and here we have a cable. This is Gen 2, so I don't know why there is the balance lead. It's not on the battery. The charger is USB-C to USB-A. Well, we have a charger. And now the plane, and that's gonna be fun. Because it's so big, it doesn't fit into my frame of my camera, which is my phone. Yeah, I'm, I'm quite poor, don't have a lot of money. Anyway, let's get in here. So, the box is really big. Like, yeah, compared to my hand, it's extremely big. It goes all the way there. Like, this is probably where I would film, but I'm filming on this, so I don't even have enough, like, material to get so high. So, yeah, let's do this. It's gonna be fun, and you are gonna see me suffer. It's oh, it's such a big box. Like, there we go. So, here's the box. I'm gonna pull it. Right. So, here is the plane. We've got quite a lot of instructions. That's a lot of instructions. This is the main wing. Here's the fuselage. Here is our horizontal stabilizer. And there are some goodies in the back. Let's get the batteries first for the transmitter. It's if you know what brand is it, you're welcome to read it. I don't know. Right, and here's the main wing. I'm going to cut few pieces here. Not pieces, just tape. And another one here. here we go. So, oh, not that big. It's really big. Here is the wing. Right. It looks very nice. The finish is awesome. You can see the plug that goes into the plane. You can see our ailerons here. They look really nice. Just the whole plane looks really nice. Oh god. It's awesome that it looks like this. Let's get this aside and look at the other things. There's a lot of foam here. And we have a canopy that's tinted. Looks like it's green. And we have a pilot that's looking to the left for some reason. Interesting. Then there's the transmitter. This is the DXS transmitter. And that's gonna be fun to get out. Here is our rudder. It looks very nice. There's more tape. God damn. There's just a lot of tape. I can just rip it out. Nice. The rudder looks very nice. We can see it's quite a big surface of a rudder. Looks really nice. And then there's the fuselage and a lot of things, which I will probably get you back here and get it out. Oh, here's the fuselage. Yeah. It's so big, I don't even know if I can fit it into the frame. Like, filming on a phone is quite a dumb idea. So here we have the battery connector. IC3, as I said. Here's the straps for the battery. Here's the flight controller. Yes, there's a lot of wires. This thing, which I don't know what is. It's really big. And then there's the motor, which is very nice. You can see it from here. Oh. Here is where the wings gonna connect. These things are gonna connect to here. It's really nice plane, you know. There's the ESC, if I am right. Yes, it is the ESC. Here's the motor, EDF, electronic ducted fan. And is there anything else? Yeah, that thing. I will get it out and probably die because I don't have a lot of place here. Where am I gonna put all this? So here is our horizontal stabilizer, rudder servo, and this is the, how do you call this? Elevator servo. Servo, yes. And here's where the thrust tube go, you see. Here's where our rudder will go. I'm really running out of place. I didn't know it's this big. I thought it's a little smaller. But yes, here is, it looks really nice. It's got an angle on this thing's surface, I guess. Here is the transmitter. You can see it's packed quite well. The antenna is protected by bubble foam, bubble foil, something like that, and a strap. I don't know why, but it's there. Now let's get the small bits of goodies out, and I will probably assemble it. So we have the thrust tube. It looks really nice. It's got a nice finish. I like it. And here is a bigger bag of our nose gear. You see, steerable nose gear, screws, an arm, and our main gear for the wing. Looks really nice. I am going to probably assemble it, get the transmitter out, and do an assembly, because I don't think I have enough room for the assembly to be recorded. I have only like 20 minutes left before I run out of storage, so yeah. This is the transmitter. I will try to get it out somehow. Is it really? Why? What? I don't want to cut it. I guess I'll have to, or I can flip the box. Yes, I can flip the box. And there's a lot of things. So okay, god damn it. I'm gonna pause, get it out, and then see you. So we have the instructions. They were on the underside. Yes. And I also managed to get out the transmitter. As I said, it's the DXS. It feels really nice and smooth. Here we have switches. I think this is the throttle cut. This is high rate and low rate. And that's all I know from my head. We can slide this out. Here is where the batteries go, and here you can plug it to have body box, or I think battery, another, like you don't have to use double A's, you can use your own battery, which is nice. I don't have another battery, I will use the double A's. I think they are a bit better. It's got the protective foil on, and that goes out quite nice. So yes, I will right now go and assemble the plane. After I have the assembly finished, I will get to you and you will see it fully built, because as I said, I don't have enough storage for it. So yes, for the time, bye, and yeah, in a little second I'm back. So the plane is built. As you can see, it's ginormous. Here, the battery is... Oh. Why can't I press you? Bro. The battery is in the plane. I will get it out. It's really big. Like, really, really big. I need to be careful. Here's the thrust tube on it, and there's the engine of the plane. The transmitter, I already put batteries in it, and it's nice. I will probably now charge the battery inside the plane because it's on really low percentage voltage, if you want. And yeah, that's all for my first unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. It was really easy to assemble. The screws are just nice, fit in. It's really easy. And yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing, and bye.